Hi, we're Global Dimension, and today we're 3D laser scanning a 1966 Volkswagen Type 2 ambulance that is in perfect condition. We're scanning the floor because our customer wants to make reproduction rubber floor mats. We have Khun Toon in the back, he owns the bus. This is Khun Toon from BaanRodVolk, and the scanner we use is from Creaform. The Creaform C-Track's cameras are always watching the dots on the Creaform Metra handheld scanner, and on the TV you can see the laser lines painting the floor. The Creaform scanner can scan the entire Volkswagen bus with about 25 micron accuracy. We have a lot of visitors today. We had a good fortune of having a very nice air-conditioned scanning studio. Khun Toon, he's operating the Metra scanner today. He's looking outside the van at the TV so he can monitor his progress. You can see what parts he's missed in the scanning process. We need to scan all the details. Remember, this is a 1966 bus that has never been wrecked, never been rusted, never damaged. Here are the original floor mats. Right-hand drive floor mats are extremely rare, so Khun Toon from BaanRodVolk wants to make the unobtainable.
At Global Dimension, we provide a wide variety of engineering and design services. We specialize in research and design, reverse engineering, inspection, prototyping and training. Please visit us at www.globaldimension.com. You can also find us on Facebook at facebook.com/globaldimensiondesign. Enjoy the show!